Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already saved a backup. Now focus. Open the document and select the paragraphs you want to change, or press Ctrl+A to act on the whole file. Once done, look at the Home tab's paragraph group, because that's where line and paragraph spacing controls live. You're taking action immediately. We'll change line spacing and clear extra space after paragraphs so text flows tightly. Make sure to keep the selection active as you move to the next step, so changes apply where you expect. You'll open the paragraph dialog by clicking the small arrow in its group. This exposes fine controls. In line spacing, choose single or exactly and set value to 1. 0 or an exact point size to remove variable gaps. Next, set before and after spacing to 0 pt so extra paragraph space disappears, and uncheck add space between paragraphs of same style to prevent automatic gaps. Once done, preview quickly. Tightened lines mean more compact, consistent text across headings and body. You're almost finished. Apply changes to the selection or choose whole document. For persistent issues, modify the document styles so every paragraph inherits the new spacing. Use Ctrl+Q to clear paragraph-level formatting and Ctrl+Shift+N to restore normal style quickly. If spacing still looks wrong, inspect for empty paragraphs, manual line breaks, or direct formatting inside tables. Those cause extra gaps. One quick troubleshooting tip. Show formatting marks and remove extra paragraph symbols, then reapply your spacing settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.